Today, I'll show you how to change name on GCash. First, open the GCash app on your phone. Sign into your account using your MPIN, Face ID, fingerprint, or the login method you normally use. Once you are on the home screen, tap Profile at the bottom right corner. Now check your account name. In most cases, you cannot simply edit your verified GCash name directly from the profile page. Your GCash name is connected to your identity verification details, so GCash needs to make sure it matches your valid ID. If your name is wrong, misspelled, or needs to be updated because of marriage, legal name change, or correction, go to Profile, then tap Help. In the Help Center, search for Change Name, Update Account Information, or Wrong Account Name. Open the related article and follow the instructions. If GCash asks you to submit a ticket, tap Submit a Ticket or contact us. Explain that you want to change or correct the name on your GCash account. Add the correct full name you want to use. You may need to upload a valid government ID, a selfie, or supporting documents depending on the reason for the name change. For example, if your name changed because of marriage, GCash may ask for extra proof. Before submitting, review all details carefully. Make sure your name matches your official documents, then submit the request and wait for GCash to review it. Check your email, SMS, or GCash notifications for updates. So, to keep it simple, you usually cannot edit your verified GCash name manually. Open Profile, go to Help, search for name change, submit a ticket, upload the required documents, and wait for GCash approval. And that's how you change name on GCash. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.